I bought the cheapest carpet cleaner on the marketplace. The next day, I had my first client. Here's how that went. Work slows down, it happens to everyone. The question is, what do you do with that time? Wait it out or do something about it? So I started thinking about something with very low barrier to entry, something I could pick up fast, do on weekends, and do not lose sleep over it if it didn't work out. Then I saw it, a carpet cleaner on a marketplace, cheapest one listed. I didn't think twice. Here is everything I got. No pretty, not professional, but it was mine and it cost $250. There was just one problem. It didn't fit in my SUV. The handle was just tall enough to make it impossible to close the trunk. Sure, I could flip it on its side every time, but that's a pain and it still takes up half the trunk. So, before I could take a single job, I had to modify the machine I just bought. I don't own a grinder, and honestly, I wasn't about to learn how to use one on my own fingers. So, I called my buddy, we took the handle off, measured, marked, drill new bolt holes, measured again, and cut it off following every safety rule in the book. And thankfully, it fit perfectly. Same day, scrolling Facebook, a post pops up. Someone needs a move out clean. I reached out, offer $120 for studio apartment. She said
Yes.
we booked it for the next morning. Following day, I showed up and set everything up. Applied the carpet shampoo first, works the same way soap works on your hands. Gets into the fibers, breaks down the dirt, makes the wet clean actually do something. Then run the machine, watching the carpet gets cleaner with every pass. 30 minutes, done, client was happy. Did I fall in love with carpet cleaning? Definitely not, but I made $120 on a Saturday morning. It's honestly a good place to sharpen real skill, finding clients, improving customer service, learning new tools, figuring out the chemistry side of things. That was this actually about, keeping yourself in motion during the slow season, researching, selling, delivering, keeping the rust off. I like being in that mode. No boredom, no mindless scrolling, just momentum. We will see where it goes.